picture that we getting Rico. Big money rolls like burritos. Give me that hot sauce, no pico. Give me that, give me that. Give me my slippers, call me mimosa. My limousine and my chauffeur. So don't know VS, no esposa. Give me that.
A magical evening to all of you. Hello, everyone.
Give me that. Give me that.
I want to celebrate number one together with you, and I believe this is also the gift given by God. Last but not least, let's enjoy party. Thank you very much.
Give me that.
Magical Christmas Daikin! Magical Christmas Daikin!
And this celebration is made more significant than ever by the fact that 2024 marks the 100th year of Daikin. So let's give everyone a round of applause.
You're looking good and I got it bad. You're checking every box I ever had. Oh, done it again. Oh, I'm falling again. Oh, for you. Never gonna stop. You're never gonna get
Magical Christmas Daikin!
part of my reaction. You're the main attraction.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Finally, Christmas come to DPH. I'm very glad to see all of you in the same place, around 100 staff from the regions. And thank you very much.
Gonna give you up.